Today we will discuss about circle and equation of circle. In last lecture, we have already discussed about the equation of a straight line, angle between straight lines and others. Now regarding circle, first we define what is a circle. Circle is a figure in two dimensions. So, circle is the locus. What is a circle? This is the locus of a point whose distance from a fixed point remains the same. This is the point. Let this coordinate is x and y. This is the x-axis and this one is y. Let this is the center. This is a fixed point. Let that is alpha and beta. This one is a fixed point. Alpha and beta. P and M. So, circle, we can write here, circle is a locus of point P whose distance from a fixed point M remain the same. What is a circle? Circle is a locus of a point P whose distance from a fixed point M remains the same. This is the P. When P comes here, P comes here, P comes here, its distance from a fixed point M will remain the same. So, if this one is this P M point, this is the fixed point, this is called center. And this distance is known as a radius. Here, M P is equal to radius. This distance is constant, this point is constant, but this point is movable. Here, this R, then this is also R. This is also R. So this is the definition of circle. What is the definition of circle? Circle is a locus of a point P whose distance from a fixed point M remains the same. And this distance is known as the constant distance is called radius of the circle and the fixed point M is the center of the circle. Now see, this is the general point. P is moving. Point P is moving in such a way its distance will remain the same from a fixed point. This fixed point is known as center and this distance is known as the radius. This is the definition of circle. Now we find what could be the equation. Draw a line, this one, let this point is M, this one is K, P, this is R. This distance M, S. So here point M, P, S. This is a right angle triangle. This is the point M, P, S. This is the right angle triangle. So from triangle P, S, M, from triangle P, S, M, this distance is equal to PM square is equal to PS square plus MS square. Because this one is a right angle triangle, so we can write this figure. But this distance, total distance is y, so this distance is beta, so this distance will be y minus beta, and this distance will be x minus alpha. So we can write here PS. What is PS? That is y minus y1 square plus x minus x1 square. This one is R, so we can write R square is equal to y minus y1 square plus x minus x1 square. Here x1 and y1, this is the center, that is the fixed point. R is the radius. Then equation of circle is, this is the equation of a circle. चलो इसको थोड़ा हम लोग ऐसे आप समझे, एक सर्किल को कैसे डिफाइन करते हैं। सर्किल को डिफाइन करते हैं, यह एक लोकस है, बिंदु पथ है। किसका बिंदु पथ है? पॉइंट का बिंदु पथ है, जो इस ढंग से घूमता है, इसकी दूरी एक फिक्स पॉइंट M से हमेशा समान दूरी पर होती है। तो इस मूवमेंट, ये जो फिगर बनता है, इस फिगर को हम लोग क्या बोलते हैं? एक सर्किल बोलते हैं। यह R है, ये भी R, यह भी R, यह भी R, यह भी R। ऐसा मूवमेंट होगा, ऐसा बिंदु पथ बनेगा, तो ऐसे बिंदु पथ को, ऐसा जो फिगर बनेगा, उस फिगर को हम लोग सर्किल कहेंगे, जहां एक फिक्स पॉइंट सेंटर होगा, केंद्र होगा, और यह फिक्स कांस्टेंट डिस्टेंस क्या होगा? रेडियस होगा। अब इस फिगर में हमें कुछ फॉर्मुलेशन करनी है, इक्वेशन क्या हो। इक्वेशन निकालने के लिए हम एक राइट एंगल ट्रायंगल ऐसा बनाते हैं। यह हम जानते हैं कि जब इसकी कोऑर्डिनेट एक्स वाई है, तो यह लंबाई जो होगी परपेंडिकुलर डिस्टेंस होगा, यह वाई होगा, और यह अल्फा है, यह डिस्टेंस वाई माइनस, यह अगर बीटा है तो वाई माइनस, दिस इज बीटा, दिस वन इज वाई माइनस बीटा। इफ दिस वन इज अल्फा and this one is x, then this distance is x minus alpha, so this will be x minus alpha. तब अब देखो ये राइट एंगल ट्रायंगल है P M S, इसके साथ क्या रिलेशन बनेगा? दिस हाइपोटेनस होगा वह इसका स्क्वायर, लंब स्क्वायर प्लस आधार स्क्वायर। तो ये जो बना, इसको हम लोग कहते हैं इक्वेशन ऑफ सर्किल। कब? वे radius and center of a circle are given, then the equation of a circle is x minus alpha का होल स्क्वायर प्लस y minus beta ka whole square. This is equal to r square. This is the required equation of the circle. Suppose a circle, a equation of circle is required. Suppose this one is circle. This center is 2 and 3. Its radius is 5. Then what will be the equation of circle? We can write here x minus 2 squared plus y minus 3 squared is equal to 5 squared. So on simplification this becomes x squared minus 4x plus 4 plus y squared minus 6y plus 9 equal to 25. We sum up here x squared plus y squared minus 4x minus 6y. This one is 4, this one is 9, this is 25. 9 and 4 13, 25 कितना होगा? Minus 25 minus 13, that is minus 12. This is the required equation of circle. Equation of circle. क्या देखा हमने कि अगर मुझे एक पॉइंट दिया हुआ हो 2 3, एक रेडियस दिया हुआ हो 5, तब इसका इक्वेशन क्या होगा? इस फॉर्मूले से अल्फा एंड बीटा आर गिवन, आर इज गिवन, देन वी कैन फाइंड x minus 2 square, y minus 3 square equal to 5 square. So एक सर्कल का इक्वेशन आ गया. So this is the one problem when radius and center are given, you can find the equation of circle. Similarly, you can find another problem also. Any point is given, radius given, you can find the equation of circle. Now see, suppose here alpha and beta are 0. If alpha and beta are 0, it means this alpha and this beta, alpha is 0 when alpha is equal to 0, beta is equal to 0, then what happens? This circle, its center will be 0. When alpha is equal to 0, then this point comes here. When beta is equal to 0, this point comes here. इसका मतलब है center of the circle is 0, 0. Then its equation will be alpha 0, beta 0. Then equation of circle is x squared plus y squared equal to r squared. या उस केस के लिए जब हमें कहा जाए कि एक सर्किल का केंद्र ओरिजिन हो, तो सर्किल का इक्वेशन क्या हो? तो सर्किल का इक्वेशन x स्क्वायर प्लस y स्क्वायर इक्वल टू r स्क्वायर. फिर सेकंड कंडीशन, अब देखो, अगर हमें कहा जाए कि देयर इज अ सर्कल लाइक दिस, ए बी इज द डायमीटर. अगर कोई सर्किल है जहां ए बी उसका डायमीटर है, ए का कोऑर्डिनेट x1 y1 है एंड बी का कोऑर्डिनेट x2 y2 है, तब मुझे एक सर्किल का इक्वेशन निकालना है. We have to find the equation of circle whose end point of its diameter are given. In this case, we find any point on the circumference. Let this point is xy. So दिस एंगल विल बी 90 डिग्री। एक सर्कल पर एक पॉइंट हमने लिया, तो उस पॉइंट से यह इस कॉर्ड को मिलाया, इस कॉर्ड को मिलाया, ये सेंटर है, सेंटर, देन यह एंगल क्या होगा 90 डिग्री। सर्कल का कोई भी कोण जो होगा वो 90 डिग्री। इट्स मींस इसका स्लोप और इसका स्लोप बराबर होना चाहिए। सपोज इट्स स्लोप इज m1, इस स्लोप इज m2। अब लिख राइट नाउ, स्लोप ऑफ AP इक्वल टू m1 इक्वल टू y minus y1 upon x minus x1. Similarly, slope of TB, that is m2 equal to y minus y2 upon x minus x2. So m1 and m2, when this angle is 90 degree, then a relation we have already obtained, that is m1 into m2 is equal to minus 1. So we can write here m1 into m2 is equal to minus 1. This implies m1 is y minus y1 upon x minus x1 into y minus y2 upon x minus x2 is equal to minus 1. So this implies y minus y1 into y minus y2 plus x minus x1 and x minus x2. This is equal to 0. This is the equation of a circle whose in points of its diameter that is given. एक डायमीटर का इन पॉइंट मालूम है, एक डायमीटर का इन पॉइंट मालूम है, जो कोऑर्डिनेट x1 है, y1 है, x2 y2 है, तब इस सर्कल का इक्वेशन क्या होगा? Suppose, for example, if you write, suppose this is a circle, A and B are given. Coordinate of A is 3, 4. Coordinate of B is 5, 7. Then equation of circle is x minus 4 x minus 3 into x minus 5 plus y minus 4 into y minus 7 equal to 0. This will be the required equation of a circle when in points of its diameter are A and B. जब भी एक प्रॉब्लम हमें आया कि एक सर्कल का इक्वेशन निकालना है जिसमें डायमीटर का इन पॉइंट मालूम है, तो हम लोग इस ढंग से ऐसे इक्वेशन से लोग सर्कल का इक्वेशन निकाल सकते। फिर देखो, now we will discuss about the general point of a circle. General equation of a circle. We consider here x squared plus y squared plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0. अगर इसे हम सर्कल का इक्वेशन मानते हैं अगर, तो रेडियस क्या होगा और सेंटर क्या, ये निकाल। ये दिस इज द इक्वेशन ऑफ ए सर्कल, जनरल इक्वेशन ऑफ सर्कल, देन व्हाट विद द रेडियस एंड व्हाट विद द सेंटर ऑफ द सर्कल। Here we are having this equation. We have an equation of circle x minus alpha square plus y minus beta square is equal to r square. Here alpha and beta are the center and r is the radius. Compare this one and this one also. X square plus y square minus twice x alpha minus twice y beta plus alpha square plus beta square. This one x square, this is y square in mid term, twice x alpha, here twice y beta, this one is alpha square, this is beta square, this is equal to r square. Minus r square equal to 0. Now compare equation 1 and equation 2. We have इक्वेशन ऑफ सर्किल. हमें क्या है, इक्वेशन ऑफ सर्किल मालूम है. यह जनरल इक्वेशन ऑफ सर्किल हमें बताना है. तो क्या कंडीशन होगा, व्हाट विल द कंडीशन कि यह एक सर्किल का इक्वेशन हो जाए. तो हम कंपेयर करेंगे दोनों से. एक्स स्क्वायर, हियर इन प्लेस ऑफ 2g वी आर हैविंग 2x. in place of 2g we are having 2 alpha. Here on comparing इक्वेशन 1 and 2, इक्वेशन 1 और 2 को हम कंपेयर करते हैं तो मुझे क्या मिलता है, यह 2j इन प्लेस ऑफ minus 2 alpha we are having 2g, and in place of minus 2 beta we are having 2x. So we can write alpha is equal to minus b and beta is equal to minus a. So alpha and beta, this is the required coordinate. This may be written as minus g and minus a. So if this be the equation of circle, then center will be minus g and minus a, and radius, this one is the radius, and this is c. So if we compare this one is equal to c, this one is equal to c, then what happens? And alpha square plus beta square minus r square is equal to c. This implies r square is equal to alpha square plus beta square minus c. So radius will be root under alpha square beta square minus c. So this is the required condition. यह एक सर्किल का इक्वेशन होगा तो सेंटर क्या होगा, सेंटर यह होगा एंड रेडियस यह होगा. So this is the required condition. This is the required condition. If this one is the equation of a circle, then condition radius will be minus g minus f, and sorry, center will be minus g and minus f, and radius will be root under alpha square beta square minus c. So now suppose if x square plus y square plus 10x plus 20y plus 9. This is the equation of circle. Then find the center and radius. Here in place of this is alpha and beta, alpha beta minus 2 alpha. So center is here 2g. In place of here 2g is equal to 10. 2g is equal to 10. It means g is equal to 5. Here 2f is equal to 20. So f is equal to 10. So center will be minus g minus f. This is equal to minus 5 minus 10. Radius r is equal to root under alpha square. So you may write here, we are having r is equal to, what is r? That is g square f square minus c. So we can write here, this is g square 25 f square 100 minus c. C is equal to 9. This is minus 9. So this becomes root under minus 9. This is equal to 1660. So if equation of circle in general form that is given, if equation of circle in general form is given, you can find the equation of circle in, you can find the center and radius of the equation of circle. So suppose another equation is this one, x square plus y square plus 30x minus 40 y plus 9 equal to 0. If this is the equation of a circle, then center will be, directly you can write minus g. This is 2g is equal to 30. 2g is equal to 30. So g is equal to 2g is equal to 30. Then g will equal to 15 only. And 2f is equal to minus 40. Then f is equal to minus 20. So center is minus g minus f. So we can write here center is equal to gf 15 minus 15, and this is already minus, so you can write plus 20, and radius will be root under g square plus f square minus c. G square f square minus c. So we can write g is minus 15 pi square 225 plus 400 minus c. C is equal to minus 9. This will be the required radius. So here center, and if equation is given, you can find the center and radius. In first case, when radius and center are given, you can find the equation of circle. So तो इसको थोड़ा समझते हैं. We can also find here this is g square plus f square minus c is equal to radius. And the center is minus g minus gf and radius is g square f square c. So there are two types of problem we may have. First type of problem, when center alpha beta and radius r are given, then the equation of circle is x minus alpha square plus y minus beta square equal to r square. Second one, when equation of circle in general form is x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0, then the center will be minus d minus f and radius equal to root under g square plus f square minus c. There are two types of equations. First, when center and radius are given. Second, when equation are given, then we can find the center and radius. Similarly, we can have different form of the equation of circle. Suppose circle is written like this. When chord is given, A and B are given, then find the equation of circle. Coordinate of A is, let A 0 and coordinate of B is 0B. So similarly you can find if this point is known, this point is known, this angle is 90 degree because this one is origin. So this slope may be obtained, this slope may be obtained, and required equation of circle may be m1 into m2 equal to minus 1. This will be the required condition. Similarly, if you say a circle is touching the x-axis, we can find that there different problems maybe. So, find the equation of circle which touches the x-axis. This will be the center, and this is touching the x-axis. It means this perpendicular distance will be the radius. Then we will find here, if coordinate is given, that this perpendicular distance must be equal to radius. Then point and the radius will, center and radius will be obtained. We can obtain the equation of circle. Similarly, if it is said that a circle is passing through touching the y-axis. Then find the equation of circle. When circle is given. Similarly, we can find the different types of equations of the circle. So today we have already discussed circle. What is a circle? How we may be able to define the circle, and what is the equation of circle. And in general form, and when center and radius are given, then we can find the equation of circle. When equation of circle is given, then we can find the center and radius. That's okay, please.